we present you a new video. I hope it will be useful. If you don't want to miss other interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. How to repair the steering gear if it has play or makes noise on bumps. BMW X3 F25. Renewing the thrust piece of EPS steering. Some parts of this video were taken from BMW repair instructions. I looked for some instructions for repairing the steering mechanism. These are the tools you need. As you will see, I will not use them all. Remove the engine shield. This is the area in which we will work. Clean the area of dust. BMW recommends removing the electrical connectors. I had to make a special key based on the model of the new part. The repair kit has the part code 32168911974. Remove the cover. BMW recommends using a special tool to mount the main element. I will use a BMW grease to grease the central element. Here are the differences between the two pieces. Mount the main part and pay attention to the mounting position. Mount the central spring. Install the cover. Tighten the cover until it reaches the level of the case. Use a torque wrench and tighten the cap to 50 Nm. Check if the steering wheel moves easily or with difficulty. If everything is okay, lower the car to the ground. Now check the steering wheel with the engine running. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.